Welcome back to Fortune Cookie Motorsports. We are coming off of a 2-weekend break that could not have come at a better time for me because I got the Rona. I ended up catching it. I'm fine now. It just goes to show you I was vaccinated. We all want to be done with this virus, but the virus is not done with us. So wear a mask, get vaccinated. Anyway, let's get to NASCAR. We did not get to go over the Atlanta results from 3 weeks ago now, I think, 4 weeks ago, I don't know, a long time ago. But we'll go over them very quickly now. The Fortune Cookies, fairly disappointing, 122 points. We had Kyle Larson on the team. He was our best driver, finished in 18th, but ranked 8th in points, and everybody else outside of the top 10 as far as fantasy rank goes. So 122 in the big league, that would have given us 57th place. Our points total after Atlanta 2 ended up at 2394, which I don't think changed at all. We're still in 62nd. My personal team did okay, 26th place, 209 points, but unfortunately we did not beat the points leader, so we lost ground to them again. We had Kyle Busch was our best driver, finished second, ranked second. Nobody outside of the top 10 as far as fantasy rank goes. But like I said, we still lost ground, almost 100 points behind after Atlanta 2. And then New Hampshire, which, again, disappointing for the Fortune Cookies and disappointing for my own personal team. It looked like we had a stacked team going in. The Fortune Cookies at New Hampshire, 126 points, so 4 more points than the previous week. But yeah, we had Kyle Busch on the team, and the rain got him last place. Not actually last place fantasy rank-wise, but still not very good. Joey Logano, best driver on the Fortune team, finished 4th, ranked 9th in points. Good enough for 53rd in the big league. Brings our points total to 2520, no change, still in 62nd. As far as the personal team goes, 26th again, but far fewer points this time, 188. My best driver was Kevin Harvick, finished 6th, but ranked 3rd. Everybody else was okay. Chase Elliott was my worst at 11th, but still, once again, we lost ground to the points leader, now more than 100 points behind first place. Okay, so it is time to set our roster for Watkins Glen. We did not go to Watkins Glen last year, so I'm sure very many of us are excited to be back. You will soon be crossing the great waters. Boy, that's familiar. I think we've already had this one. In fact, I'm going to have to check the tapes. We might have actually had this exact fortune cookie before. Hey, hang on.
Flashback.
You will soon be crossing the great waters. Yeah, turns out it is familiar. Behold! This is our Atlanta 2 roster. It's the exact same fortune cookie. There might only be 2 teams in this entire box, which is a shame because they're actually like good teams. I don't know if we'll end up having to throw out. But you know what? I'm keeping them for this week because it's got Kyle Larson on it. It's a decent team. So, let's do it. First pick, Kyle Larson. 1 at Sonoma, so pretty good road course pick. Next one, 17, Chris Buescher. I don't know how Buescher is on road courses. He's having kind of a career renaissance this year. Looked very good at Homestead. Next one, 29, Skip, 32, Skip, I think, yes. 46, Skip, 7, Corey LaJoie. Back to 29, which drops down to William Byron, already used him. Bubba Wallace. 32, again, drops down into Joey Logano. And 46, which is going to be Eric Jones. I think we've used up all of our Eric Joneses. So that's going to be Ross Chastain. Oh no, we had one more Eric Jones. Okay, we're good. Okay, so your fortune cookie roster for Watkins Glen: Kyle Larson, Chris Buescher, Corey LaJoy, Bubba Wallace, Joey Logano, and Eric Jones. Hopefully it does a little better than last time this roster was picked. And very quickly, my personal roster: Christopher Bell. He won at the Daytona Road Course, so sure, why not throw him in at the road course. Then we got Chase Elliott, my road course winger, Brad Keselowski, Joey Logano, Kyle Larson, who I only have one pick left, and I've been saving him for Michigan, but you know what? I've decided that all his wins at the 2-mile tracks came with the old package with higher horsepower, and he's been really good at road courses, so why not? I'm losing ground, I'm getting desperate and making dumb decisions, so I'm putting him in at Watkins Glen. He's my last Kyle Larson. And then Martin Truex Jr., who I have lost tons of confidence in, but you know what, whatever. Still putting him in at the road course. So yeah, that is it. Thanks for watching. Fans of stop motions, good news, very soon, I promise, race 7 at Sonoma will be out. But yeah, other than that, thanks for watching. Bye.